Nothing really matters if you're not mine, right here, right now. And even if the world ends.
Let's say hi. Hi! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new, welcome. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. This is my son Caleb. Today we're gonna go shopping for fall decor. I haven't decorated and I cannot wait to decorate. I'm so excited to decorate this year. It's gonna be my first year decorating for fall. So I'm gonna probably be decorating tomorrow and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. But today we're gonna go shopping and hopefully I can find some stuff that I want. I'm not into like the very orangey tones of fall. I know that's like the traditional color, but I'm looking for like the burgundies and blush and pinks. So hopefully I can find some stuff that I like. I'm gonna go to different stores and take you guys along with me, just in case you haven't decorated either. You know what the stores have and you can go directly to the store that you want. Get me more. And exactly, you can get exactly what you want, and hopefully this video is helpful to you. So let's just see, hopefully we can both, you and I, can find what we're looking for. Let's just go.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just want to make you smile. Hold your hand in mine.
So I feel like Hobby Lobby has like the biggest selection when it comes to seasonal decor. So if you're looking for something in particular, you might find it here. And the good thing about Hobby Lobby is that they always have either 40% or 50% off. So take advantage of that to save some money.
I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. You want this too, cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like
I love this welcome pumpkin. Anything that's white, pink or blush or burgundy, I'm like all over it. But I was having issues finding some pink or blush, even like burgundy stuff here at Hobby Lobby. So that's why I'm gonna have to go to another store. If they had everything here, I would rather just buy everything from one store, but I'm not finding the colors that I really like, and like more of like the modern pumpkins. I feel like these are more of a little bit of like rustic, and some of them are modern, but not, most of the stuff that they have here is not as modern as I would like it to be. Okay, so I just saw these little cute cake stands and I'm gonna get a couple. They're only $2.99, so 40% off of that, probably be $1 or something. And you can prop your pumpkins on here to give it a little bit of height, and they're so cute. I gotta take a few.
No doubt, I know a place that sneak away. Leave the pain, I'll stay.
Guys, I ended up getting like 5 of these because they are so beautiful. As soon as I saw them, I fell in love with the gold and the saints on them, the blessed, thankful. Those really speak to me, and they're such a good price, I couldn't pass it up.
Didn't even notice your medicine. No fear, no doubt. I know a place that sneak away. Leave the pain, I'll stay with you. Let me hold you, close your eyes. We'll be reaching paradise. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't even really know your name, but I'm still high on our love and making me feel alright. I don't even really know your name, but I'm still high on our love and making me feel alright. Yeah, I'm still high on our love and making me feel alright. I don't even really know your name, but I'm still high on our love and making me feel alright. Be alright. Yeah.
And I know these are not fall related items, but these books are books that you can hide stuff into, and they were 50% off. And I think these are perfect for like coffee tables, to put pumpkins on top of them. I'm actually gonna buy one of these for mine.
Be alright, be alright. Yeah, we gonna be alright. Love and never, and I know we'll be alright.
As you guys can see, Caleb is such a good boy. Like, he just sits there and he's happy. He loves going to the store with me. Not every time, but sometimes I will go and get him some Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets, and he's a happy boy. These cake stands and tier trays were 50% off, and they're a really good idea to use for seasonal decor. Not only to put like fruits and veggies or desserts and stuff like that, you can also use them for seasonal decor, and they look so stylish. You can use them all over the house, and they look good no matter where. They have a really big selection of outdoor items. They also have like small pumpkins that come in a pack of like 7 or 8, and once you apply that 40% off, they become so inexpensive to do DIYs with. And just, there's so many ways that you can use this. You can use them everywhere. What are you doing, Caleb? Is that comfy? Are you comfy in there? We have to go. Caleb, we're shopping for pumpkins. We're not shopping for a couch. Let's go. Give mommy your hand. Give mommy your hand. Sir. Thank you.
Paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9.
Oh my god, guys, like, I was so happy to finally see the blush and the burgundies and the colors that I was so looking for. I have to tell you guys that this was my favorite store out of all of them. Big Lots like took the win.
Tonight, I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9.
I even think that they have better prices than Hobby Lobby. Like, everything you see here is 25% off on top of the price. So this beautiful pumpkin here with the flowers was only $10 plus the 25% off. I was just so happy to finally find the colors that are not so obvious, you know. I couldn't find anything like this at Hobby Lobby, so I am super happy right now.
Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. tell me now, because I just have to know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need?
This is the exact reef that I wanted, that I had pictured in my head, that I dreamed about. Everything about it, I love it so much. The colors, everything is just perfect, exactly what I wanted. And I had to get it, and I put it inside of the house because it's just so gorgeous.
The way you play with your hair, and now you always wear denim. Yeah, everything.
I also went ahead and got a few of these paper plates with the burgundy pumpkin. It was so beautiful. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to get it somewhere else. So for $3, I had to pick up a few together with the napkins. They are 20 count, so that's a good quantity of them. For $3, can't pass it up either.
Away with me. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run and just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need?
I like to go to Ross because I feel like I find like the more modern and cheaper fall and Christmas decor items, and they also have like the smallest quantity of items you guys will see in the video, but it's so worth coming here because you will find stuff that you probably won't find somewhere else for this price. So definitely come check out Ross.
Oh, won't you run away with me?
I have seen some of the same items that I see here at Marshall's, and they are always like $1, $2, $3, $5, even $6, $10 more than Ross. So I always make sure to come to Ross before I go to Marshall's.
Run away with me. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. Oh, all I need is you. Hey. Oh, yeah. 'Cause all I need, 'cause all I need is you. I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me? It only took one kiss to know that you're everything to me.
Marshalls and Home Goods are definitely like my favorite stores to go shopping for any type of decor. I feel like they have like the type of decor that I like, more of like my style, a little bit more modern than Hobby Lobby, and I know that I will find stuff that I like here. It's probably gonna be a little bit more than Ross by a few dollars, but they do have a bigger selection to choose from, so that sometimes make it worth it.
Just be wild and free. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you.
This section right here I love so much. That pink pumpkin, I've been looking at it, I love it so much. I wanted to get it so bad, but I have a few pink pumpkins already, so I'm not even gonna bother. And the ones that I got were a little bit less expensive than this one. This one was $16. I got mine for $12.99 for the same size, so I didn't get it, but guys, I love it so much.
Oh, so tell me, girl, 'cause I really want
This is also my color palette. I'm having like a mix of like this teal color with the blush and the burgundies and the white, and this is just right up my alley. Like I want to buy all of the pumpkins that I see these colors.
Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful to some of you that might not have the time to go to so many different stores, and now you know what the stores have. You can just go to one, get what you need, and get out. I will see you guys in my next video. Please like and subscribe to get notified when I post a new video. Become part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you. I will be doing this for Christmas decor as well, so stay tuned for that. And I will also be decorating my home and taking you guys through the process with me. So I will see you guys in my next video.
Bye.